If you're thinking about homeschooling in Maryland but don't know where to start, you're not alone. Homeschooling is legal in Maryland, but it requires oversight under COMAR regulations. Your child must be registered either with your local county or with an approved homeschool oversight program. It's important to know that enrolling in an online school does not meet this requirement. Online schools provide instruction, but they do not establish your child's homeschool status with the state. Oversight is what keeps your family in compliance. Families may register directly with the county, which is a free option. Others choose an oversight program for a simpler process, often without portfolio reviews, and for additional support. Families new to homeschooling must file a notice of intent. Families who are already homeschooling with the county must update their homeschooling status, typically through their county's online parent portal. Once you are registered with us, we complete and file your notice of intent on your behalf. From there, you can move forward by building your own curriculum, using an online program, or requesting a free IXL account through our website. The approach is flexible and based on what works best for your child. If you're unsure where to begin, it's always a good idea to ask questions before getting started. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.